Hey everyone, it's good to see you again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, we're going to be creating this look that I am currently wearing, but solely focusing on the eyes. I've been really wanting to create a bold, colorful liner look, and I do not own any gel liners that are highly pigmented in color. So searching up online, I saw that you can use eyeshadow and water to create a liner. If you're interested in how I was able to create this bold liner look, continue watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. I also went ahead and filled in my brows and cleaned them up with concealer, and I also used that same concealer to prep my eyelids. All you're gonna need is an eyeshadow palette of your choice. I chose to use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe, and I'm gonna be using this orange shade right here. You're also gonna need a fine eyeliner brush like this one, or you can use a angled brush like this. Either one will work, along with some water. So what you're gonna wanna do first is coat your brush of choice in the shade that you have chosen, like that. And then you're going to dip it into the water. Not too much, you don't want to drown it in the water, but just like a little boop. If you want a precise line, you can use a piece of tape, or you can go with elf tape, whatever you want. I'm just gonna freehand it because I think it looks better freehanded, and I'm just gonna grab a small mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna make sure I have the angle that I want. I'm just gonna put my palm down on my cheek here. This trick I learned from Alyssa Ashley, just so we can get a stable hand. And then yay! Okay, make sure you're also using like a shadow that you don't mind messing up, because I already messed up this color in the palette. I'm actually quite sad about it, but that's okay. Sorry, I gotta literally stop talking. So I can do the look, because I can't talk and put on liner at the same time. Who else is like that? So I'm just continuously dipping into the eyeshadow and lightly dipping it into the water. And it just mimics a gel liner. Like, how perfect is that? Because I wet it, it's all like patchy and kind of like dented, so it'll look like that. If you don't mind your shadows looking like that, then get into it. Start creating your own eyeliners, girl. I mean, there's nothing wrong with buying gel liners. It's just right now they're completely sold out. I wanted to get like a bunch of ColourPop ones, but the colors that I wanted, they were all sold out. So here we are, creating our own, which is always nice, saving money. So like I said, I'm just running over this just so we can get more pigment. Before you apply that second layer of the shadow and water mixture, just be sure to allow that first layer to dry so nothing lifts and nothing, you know, starts moving around or anything. Another tip, if you have hooded eyes like I do, like you see that creasing there, you don't want to put your liner too high up, or else when, like, you know, you look up or you blink and stuff, the liner is going to transfer onto the higher areas of your eyelid, and you do not want that. So just keep that in mind. You can make it as thick as you want, but just be sure not to pass like here, or just don't go past that creasing, and you'll be fine. You'll be good to go. I'm going to finish up this side here. I'm going to do my face, and I'll be back with concealer to show you how to make that wing sharp, okay? Sharp enough to cut somebody. So BRB. I know I said I was going to come back when I had, you know, the base done and everything, but I just wanted to show you how both eyes look now that they're completed. I just have a little bit of mascara on, and I think it looks so dope. I'm excited to create more like different color liners with these eyeshadows because I think this is bomb. It brings out my eyes so much. You can use any color you want. It's amazing. A little tip in case you mess up the liner and you make it too thick or you want to reshape it, just take a little bit of concealer on the back of your hand and use a flat brush. Can we focus? Yeah, use a flat brush like this and just go over where you want to fix very gently and very lightly. But just, you know, go over it where you want to fix it. I made this one a little bit straighter so it can match this eye here, but overall I'm really happy, and I can't wait to see what the end result is when all the other products have been applied. So I'm gonna do that. I'll come back when I'm on concealer and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back like I promised after finishing my base. I love how this looks. Honestly, I'm so happy, but everything will be complete once we add that concealer, brighten up everything, and just, you know, clean up the wings a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 370. I'm going to take this on the back of my hand with a flat brush. I'm going to pat both sides with the brush and then dab off the excess because we don't want too much. I'm going to go right under the wing. Just make a line right under it just to clean it up. See? Look how sharp that looks now. If you're using a sponge to blend out the under eye area and cleaning up the liner at the same time, I would highly recommend getting a sponge or using a sponge with a flat side like this, so that way it is a lot easier to blend out without, you know, going over that line. So guys, this is the completed look. Let me know what you think. I just finished it off with a cream colored eyeshadow in the waterline. I also did the lips. I'm wearing the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline and the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Glass Slipper. I just wanted to keep the lips nice and neutral so it doesn't, you know, clash or take away from our colored liner look. I'm so happy at how it turned out. I'm really impressed that it only took an eyeshadow palette and water to actually finesse this eyeliner look. I don't think I'll be replacing like actual felt tip liners or gel pot to, you know, do an eyeliner, but I mean, for the time being, it works and it's really good. I'll have to see how it wears throughout the day. But other than that, I'm super happy how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hack out. Let me know. Follow me on my Instagram and you can tag me there if you try it out so I can see how it looks. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you do not want to miss out on the giveaway that I'm going to be hosting once I get to 100 subscribers, because we're almost there, so don't miss out. Anyways guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.